finally in Adelaide.
We are actually in our full mood birthday month. Happy birthday, Beyonce! Yeah, I'd like to. It's gonna be a long one.
Where are we? Where are we?
We're outside! I like that one. I've been here yesterday because she missed her flight. I will have park.
Cut the cameras.
From Model Studio. Yeah, I landed yesterday, but my friends just joined me today. I'm with Nessa and Maktuni. We're about to go eat and then watch the sunset by the beach. So, oh, but it's short o'clock, guys.
Yo, baddie, shot o'clock.
Vacation behavior, so all systems go. Actually, make a fella feel okay. At least we remember your sleeper. Yes.
5 shots in Adelaide.
Yeah,
You're not ready.
Yeah, so cheers, let's cheers. To Adelaide.
It's smooth though.
Not bad.
So anyway, let's get going. I'll see you over there. I don't know where. Yeah, somewhere. Do you know Kakulapi?
I want to be celebrated. I want to waste my days. I want to spend my money on
No, guys. So we are to the sunlight. We just got to Glen. Is it called Glenelg something of this? I've been here before, but it's still as pretty as before. So I'm actually not sure where we're going. Say hey, you're against the light though. You have to be this side.
You put it against this.
Yeah, you cannot be. It'll be too dark. Oh, now there. See.
Hi everyone.
Hey.
We're finally in Adelaide.
And we're outside.
And we are, where are we?
We're outside. But you know what, yeah? It's December 68th.
No, today is December 33rd.
And
And it's my birthday month as well.
Hey, hey, hey! Happy birthday to you.
Please greet
And
gifts.
is it your birthday, Mom?
We are actually in our full mode birthday month.
Happy birthday to you.
And you see how it's gonna be? Yeah, it's gonna be a good year. It's
I'm turning
Tanya?
20. She's turning 20.
20 as well. 20? What do you mean?
20.
20. You want to continue? Me?
What do you guys think about Adelaide?
So far, so good. Love it. I've been in Adelaide for 1 hour.
What do you think?
Doing 2 hours, and I love it.
I love it. No,
I love
honestly,
Adelaide. It's so pretty.
if I was not living in Melbourne, it would be Adelaide for sure. It would be Adelaide.
It's a village though, it's too small.
Yes,
It's a village. Okay, I think that's his perception because I've
But
never
you
been
want-
here before.
I don't
but
like
I
the
had that. But
traffic
now
in
that I'm here, it's
Melbourne.
literally like, what even is the difference between here and Melbourne? There's no difference.
Yeah,
The vibe.
And then the good vibes also.
Yeah. We enjoy small things, that's why.
I've enjoyed each and every second of the 2 hours I've been in Adelaide in my life.
I've been here yesterday because she missed her flight. Yeah.
Talk about it.
No, don't
I
talk
will
about it. Don't talk
unpack.
about it.
I will
Don't-
unpack
No,
about
don't unpack. Don't unpack. Don't unpack. Don't unpack. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
Hi, how are you? How you going?
Ladies,
Hi, how you going?
fabulous. Love the look.
The most sunless days. How many did you accept?
Imagine accept too.
That means that it means we must go back home to shower.
Nah, we're on holiday, we are allowed.
So, video. I keep missing you. Man, I'm going all the time. Huh?
I'll go do it.
We're all misunderstood. They say we stand for nothing, and there's no way we ever could. See everything that's going wrong in the world, I don't need it.
So I just have a whole day tomorrow.
Oh yes, and tomorrow is fully on.
So if we mix, my evenings to have collapse.
Hi guys, we made it to. It's called Minnesota. What is the name? Sijui kunaitwaje. I don't know what's the name actually, but it's really full. It's nice. It's lovely, and yeah. I don't know, it's pretty nice. I've been here, but not here specifically. Huko kunaitwaje? Minnesota.
No idea. You've been here before?
No, not here. I've been to the beach here, but not here. I think Oh no, mostly. It's called mostly. Oh my god, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Just getting started. Warming up. Because it's about to go down. Yeah. I have a baby girl with me. Focus. What up on
Focus, of course. Focus on paper.
Baby, see you later. Hey.
So I'm at a place I don't even know the name in Adelaide, Australia. We just ordered margaritas. They're coming. My heart is content. I'm happy. I have pictures. I'm enjoying my life. I'm with my bestie. What else could I possibly even want for? In December 35. December 34th. 34th or 33rd.
We actually might have been in that before because we are fully active.
No.
We don't
Okay,
even know the
31st.
days.
32nd. This is 33rd. December 33rd. We're continuing in December. I'm not yet in 2026. I refuse.
How is it for you guys in
2026.
Oh no, yeah, they are guys.
I'm not there yet. Up.
Yeah, I'd like to propose a toast. It's gonna be a long one. First of all, Tony, thank you for clearing your schedule and taking care of us when we're here. Yes, I thank you for catching the flight. I would have been so mad at you. you. What do you mean to plan? I already have the activities planned in my head, and then you don't want to show up. No.
But actually, condition aliniambia. Fucking kidding me? I was like,
Very serious. Clark, hamini kwa sababu imagine umemwambia probably umecancel.
So the thing is, see, I told you we were away with family.
Yeah.
But we were coming back today. Anyway, we had a discussion
My first
about
time
it. She
with
was.
her here. I mean,
yeah, she's my best friend.
yes.
So.
We have to make memories. Plus, we're starting a good not podcasting, TikTok kind of thing, where we show our travels together. So it just makes sense. Makes us come together. Yeah, but cheers to that. And also, just Adelaide being a pretty,
It's nice, yeah?
pretty peaceful space. We love it. We love it. Look at the sunsets here. They're so pretty. The sky is so pink. They're against the sunset, so it's more.
Silhouette. Put it closer. Inaweza kuwa 0.5 but close.
It's a video.
Look at that sunset. It makes sense. Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Happy birthday, Beyonce. Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Happy birthday, Beyonce. So I'm gonna show the first wheel. Ooh. Ooh. Give it to us. You have to. Because I really love that. I do.
All the rats we have here, more into basically fill out.
I'll try a rosé.
The rosé fest. Yeah, no worries. We've got 2 rosé here.
So I guess we're done with the wine tasting experience, and we're just gonna take now big girls, take a few photos here and there, because the space is nice, and then go and look for something to eat. That's the next agenda. Yeah. Hola guys. Okay. There's so many outside. No, we live for tequila.
Ama namna gani bwana?
Guys, got that. I don't live for tequila. I was just joking. It's just that. But anyways, yeah, we made two.
I mean, there's
It's called bar.
you know what I mean? Yeah. No, but like, I think it's your rash.
Yeah.
Like, it's
called and everything here is based on vodka, no tequila. So I mean, we're home. Anyways, it's a good time. It's a lovely time with my girls. Yeah, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Thank you. So cute.
I had I like that's why I'm like my social media. Yeah, last year. Yeah,